Today, I'll show you two easy ways to create a sticky note in Engage. Let's start with the first method, using the Notes page. Open your main menu or tablet and select Notes. On the Notes page, click Create, then type your message into the Content field and select Sticky Note. You can choose your favorite color and use your controller or mouse to position it wherever you want. If you're in VR, use your thumbstick to adjust the scale and distance, and on desktop, you can use the scroll wheel to resize. Once you're happy with the placement, pull the trigger or click the left mouse button to drop the note into the scene. Now for the second method, the quick desktop shortcut. On Windows, press F2, and on Mac OS, press Fn plus F2. A sticky note panel will appear immediately, allowing you to start typing your note right away. And that's it. Two simple ways to create sticky notes in Engage.